National designed the Helix for small jobs and tough-to-reach spaces. This 16-inch planetary grinder creates the perfect profile for new coatings. The easy-to-operate machine features the ability to edge grind, dual speed operation, an adjustable handle, and a floating dust skirt for maximum efficiency. National's newest machine, the Helix grinder, is completely designed with you in mind. You can always refer to the manual as well. It is in the slot on the front of the machine. The handle can be positioned in many combinations. The silver handle allows for major adjustments to the handle, and the two black locking levers allow for more minor adjustments. With the red lanyard around your wrist and the emergency stop key inserted, press the green button to turn the machine on. The red button turns the machine off. The 2-speed control is located on the grinder motor. The Helix is the first National grinder to feature a light. To turn the light on, switch the dial on the left of the control panel to the on position. Turn it to the left to turn the light off. The Helix grinder base flips over completely for ease of access. Make sure to disconnect the power cord by twisting them apart. Place one hand on the Helix logo and push back. Grab the front of the machine and flip the base over so that it rests on the two lower supports. Make sure the electric cord isn't being pinched or crushed by the motor. Removing the grinding plate by loosening the T-nut in the center. Be sure not to fully remove it. The grinding plate will rotate freely. Line up the slots on the plate with the stops and lift up. To remove the grinding 5-inch magnetic satellites, slide the cotter pin out and pull the 5-inch magnetic grinding satellites away from the plate. Extra removable weights are positioned in the grinder. Remove them by taking out the screws and sliding the weights up. Put the grinding base back on in the reverse of how you took it off. Flip the grinder head over by pushing on the handle and flipping it back. The Helix features an adjustable shroud so the machine can be used for edging. Flip the silver latch and reposition the adjustable part of the shroud to open the edge. Make sure you latch it in place in the new position. To bring the edging door to the other side, twist the 4 silver latches on the top part of the grinder. Lift the shroud up and twist it into place. There is a specific position, so make sure it is correct and twist the 4 silver latches to lock the shroud in place. On top of the grinding head, there are 4 more removable weights, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. Pull the pins out and remove the weights. The grinding base is completely removable from the handle assembly. With the power still disconnected, pull the 2 silver latches toward the back of the machine and lower the handle. To reconnect these parts, position the handle assembly properly and push down on the handle to lock the assembly in place. Follow the hose guide with the hose and slide it into the dust collection connection. With the appropriate extension cord attached, run the dust collector hose and the electric cable together and wrap them in the included Velcro strap.